Welcome back, YouTube fans. So, just another reason why I love my little tractor is we are working on this old snowmobile trailer. And we're changing out wheels, hubs, and bearings. So we're doing a little bit of work to it and we're going to clean it up. But this is why I made this video. Yes, we could get the jack out. And we could put some blocks on it, throw the jack underneath it and lift it right up. But why? Why would you do that when you got a Kubota tractor like this? When you got a BX23S and it's just begging to get some work done. All you got to do is roll right up, no blocks, no jack, no nothing. Throw the corner of the bucket on and lift it right up. And look, the whole thing's wobbling. So it's literally lifting the whole back of the trailer up on both sides. So yeah, we're just here working on these hubs here, changing them out. We got a brand new one over there, brand new wheel, and we're putting brand new ones on here with new bearings. But yep, just a little corner of the bucket, that's all you need, and this BX will just lift the whole thing right off the ground, no problem. So yeah, just wanted to make a short little video and let you know that this is another reason why I love my little tractor. Makes things a whole lot easier. See, look, block's just sitting there doing nothing because we don't need it, because we got a BX23S, baby. Hell yeah. All right, later. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.